Hi, my name is Jenny, and I'm a food lover and cooking enthusiast. Here is a mini chicken shawarma. It is a fast, healthy shawarma recipe, surprisingly simple to make. Try it for a quick midweek supper or for a dinner party. As you can see, many of the ingredients might already be in your fridge. Make the chicken. Take 400 grams chicken breast fillets and cut them into small pieces. Squeeze half a lemon. Season with salt, paprika, cumin powder, and pepper. Add 100 milliliters of olive oil and mix together. Let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Make the sauce. Grate 3 garlic cloves with a grater. Add 300 milliliters of Greek yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons chopped fresh dill and 2 tablespoons chopped fresh parsley. Squeeze half a lemon. Season with salt and pepper. And mix together. In a large skillet, heat the 3 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add marinated chicken and cook until it's well browned on both sides. Thinly slice cucumbers and chop tomatoes. Shred 4 to 5 leaves of romaine lettuce. Slice half a red onion. To assemble, divide the sauce, lettuce, chicken, onion, cucumber, and tomato evenly among the mini pita breads. Enjoy your homemade mini chicken shawarma. I know you're going to love it. Let's try out new easy recipes together. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss an update.